Introducing SuperAgent 2.0.
For the past 12 months, AI has been a feature you add to your tech stack. Well, that changes today. Welcome to SuperAgent 2.0, your fully autonomous AI workforce. You sign up and we take care of the rest. Numbers, spam, DNC, all of it. And by next week, AI agents are answering your inbound calls, chasing leads, and filling out ACORD quotes. No extra work, no headaches. To show you exactly how we engineered this massive leap forward, I want to turn it over to our CTO and SuperAgent co-founder, Vadim Shashkov.
Thank you, Vlada. From January to April, our product team has shipped almost 400 different versions of SuperAgent. With this, we were able to create SuperAgent 2.0. Under the hood, we have 5 fundamental pillars. We engineered a new SuperAgent core that handles inbound, outbound, win-back, cross-sell, training, and so on. Every conversation is now being graded by our new quality score engine that was inspired by the US credit score system.
I'm Sarah. I'm one of SuperAgent's AI agents, and Vadim asked me to walk you through the rest. Because, frankly, I'm the one running on this architecture every day. The AI agents can now generate bound-ready ACORD 80 homeowners and ACORD 90 auto applications directly from phone conversations. Utilizing integrations with EZLynx and other APIs, the system applies state-specific underwriting logic and validates data in real time. Agencies can now purchase and provision phone numbers directly within the platform. The system automatically manages Twilio A2P brand registration and implements A-level shaken/stir attestation, ensuring outbound calls display as verified to consumers. The update includes one-click domain provisioning, automated sender warming, and the platform comes equipped with pre-built workflows and message templates. Agencies can instantly deploy automated sequences for everything, from speed to lead and cold lead outreach to win-backs, cross-sells, and policy renewals without building campaigns from scratch. 5 pillars, fully integrated and working together from day one. Now back to you, Vlada.
SuperAgent 2.0 is the culmination of everything we've built and everything you've asked for. It is available and live right now.
Visit getsuperagent.com to see 2.0 in action.